guys, my name is Plotz, and in today's tutorial, you'll be learning the best, in my opinion, render settings for all of PC games. I'm gonna be using Halo Custom Edition here, but you're going to learn the best YouTube 1080p render settings today. So basically, what we're going to begin with, you're gonna need Dxtory, not Bandicam, not Fraps, but Dxtory. I'll post a link of how to get that in the description. If you've watched my previous video, you'll know how to get Sony Vegas Pro 11. I'll also post a link to that other video. And obviously, you're gonna need the game that you're gonna record with. You're gonna record in. And then I already have my clip here. And you're also going to need the Labyrinth lossless codec. The Labyrinth lossless codec, basically, it reduces lag in the game, but also keeps, good recording settings. So basically, it's not that laggy for me, and I have a very awful computer. But basically, the first thing we're gonna of course download everything. After everything's downloaded, you need to install the Labyrinth lossless codec. I'm not going to install that here because I've already installed that, but it's really easy. You just click on it and open it, and it installs. And so after that, you're going to open up Dxtory, run as administrator. Yeah, we'll just click yeah. We'll wait for it. Okay. See, it has Jonathan. This is his computer. But basically what we're gonna do, I'll just go through all the tabs. Just keep these the same. Jonathan, desktop, I guess. I'm not Jonathan, but of course, that's the user. So desktop is a really easy one to save to. Pretty sure bet that you've got your clip recorded and everything. Really easy. So then on this, I guess you would just keep the shortcuts the same. These are the ones that I use. But in the video, in the video tab here, it's gonna start out at Dxtory video codec. What you're gonna do, you're gonna click the drop down box, and you're gonna find Labyrinth lossless codec here. You're gonna click that. This is gonna switch to 15, and this is gonna stay on 100. Keep those the same. Make sure this is 30 FPS. Make sure this is file output, AVI, and then 100% here. So basically we're done with that part of the tutorial. So we'll just minimize Dxtory so it'll still be up, of course, down here. Now, you're gonna go into the game. Of course you're gonna, it said in the thing to press F12 when you want to record and F12 when you want to stop. And so basically you do that, you get your clip. I've already done that. I have a clip here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and open up our Sony Vegas. Mind zoning here. Oh goodness. I don't know what's wrong with my throat today. But basically, it's initializing the external monitoring now. That's the last step besides creating windows. There we go. So now it's open. Go ahead, make sure this is on best full. That'll just get you the best quality on this big black part here, and you'll be able to see better. You can always, click then drag it as far as you want over. I drag it like all the way to here though, so that you'll be able to see like a lot of it and stuff. But basically, I've already got a preset made, but what you're going to want to do, well, you're going to want to, first of all, you're going to want to click this, and then you're going to scroll down, just use my preset here. You'll go 1920 by 1080, and then your field order will be none progressive scan. Your pixel aspect ratio will be 1 square. Output rotation 0. Frame rate 29.970, the NTSC frame rate. Stereoscopic 3D mode, definitely off. Pixel format, you're going to keep it on 8-bit. The 32-bit, I mean, it really doesn't matter. You really need to have 8-bit. The 32-bit, it's not going to matter really, but you just want to keep it on 8-bit. And then on the full resolution rendering quality, you're going to have best. Motion blur type, keep it on Gaussian. Deinterlace method, none. You're going to have none. And then you're going to check the box that says adjust source media to better match project or render settings. And then your audio, stereo, you're going to have number of stereo buses 0, sample rate 48,000, bit depth 16, resample and stretch quality definitely best. Ruler doesn't matter, summary doesn't matter, audio CD doesn't matter. So basically you're going to click back on your video tab. You've got everything. What you're going to want to do, you're going to want to type a random name of this in there, and then, you know, whatever you want to type, and then you're going to click this right here, save template. And so basically, like, it'll save, or whatever, the template will save, so that you can just, next time you can click this and go back to it. But basically, here I'm just gonna do the alright, never mind. But just alright, ignore that last sentence. But basically, yeah, you're gonna want to save it after you've typed in the name of it. Here, you're just gonna click save, and then it saves your template. Now we're going to click apply, and then if you have a different screen, it should change. Mine won't change since I think mine was already like that. But then after you click apply, you're gonna click OK. And now what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to file, open, and then you're gonna find your clip. Here's my clip right here. So see on just a good 6-second one. But basically you're gonna want editing that you need to. But what you're gonna do here is you're gonna right click this, you're gonna click properties, unmaintain the aspect ratio, keep it on smart resample, unmaintain that, there we go. Now it's unmaintained. But the thing is, now that we've got that, basically you're gonna want to stretch your markers here, the loop region marker to here, and then the other one at the beginning, so that will have the loop. But now, this looks like pretty good quality to me. But basically we're going to go to File, Render As, and we'll wait for it to come up real quick. I've already got my template. Just basically copy my template. Video format, AVC. Frame size should be custom frame size. Click, it's right there. Click on custom frame size. Your width should be 1920, and your height should be 1072. Don't check this box. Profile high, entropy coding, KBAC, frame rate 29.970 NTSC, and don't check the next box. Field order should be none, progressive scan. Pixel aspect ratio should be 1. Your bit rate should be 10 million, and your encode mode should be render using CPU only. Your audio, include audio, AAC, sample rate 48,000, bit rate 128,000. Audio coding mode should definitely be stereo. System, definitely MP4 file. Your project, your video rendering quality should be best, definitely best. Just use project settings here. I think that is already default. But yes, make sure you put this one on best. If it's on good or draft, you're screwed. But basically I've already saved mine, but you'll go back here, then you'll type in the name, and then you'll just click this save template right here. But basically I've already got mine saved. I even have it favorited, like the nice little yellow star. Yeah, it's pretty cute. But basically you name it whatever you want. I'll just name it like render. I'll save it on the desktop, and make sure. Okay, I'll explain to you what this box means. Render loop region only. That's this yellow thing right here. If this box is checked, then basically it's just going to render what is inside the box. And that's exactly what you need to do every single time you do this. But basically, I'm going to click render now. I've clicked my thing. Basically, you single click it. You just single click right there. So now this is checked. Now I'm going to click render. And now it's starting to render. Alright, it just finished. Basically, so you've got your clip right here. You can go ahead and close out Sony Vegas. And basically, you got your clip. It's on the desktop. Let me find it. Here it is. Alright, now, I'm basically gonna go now. Thank you for watching this tutorial and everything. There's a few more seconds of the video left. I'm gonna put my clip up there so y'all can see how it turned out. But basically, there you go. This is ready to upload to YouTube. You can just straight upload it right now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, enjoy the 6-second clip after this.